Hello everyone and welcome to part 9 of Journaling for Beginners. We discuss about journaling, we discuss about types of journaling, different types of journaling, and today I have a new kind of a journaling for you, which is visualization journaling. Yes, you heard right. We visualize about different things we want to visualize, and after visualizing or through visualizing, through journaling, what we attract, how can we attract different things in our life. So let's find out what we'll cover in this session. What is visualization journaling? Why we do visualization journaling? Steps, then prompts for that, and then tips to make it more effective. And if you didn't watch the earlier, you can find the link for the previous 8 sessions. So you can watch it and you can learn more about journaling. The first one, what is visualization? Writing detailed description of your dreams and future goals. If you are writing about your dreams, your goals, what you want to achieve in future, what you want to attract in future, all those things comes under this kind of a journal, that is visualization journal. Second part, a technique that combines imagination with intention. We imagine about our future, we imagine about what kind of a things we attract, what kind of a things we achieve in future, and we use the imagination power and the intentions, emotions for that. So it's a combination of intention and imagination. Helps the brain create a mental blueprint for success. If we are visualizing this kind of a thing every day, we'll create a blueprint in our mind that this is the thing I want, this is the thing how I can do that, and the blueprint is ready in your brain, and your brain gives signals to you in that particular way so that you can take action for that goal in the particular way. Okay, so this is what is visualization journaling. Then we comes into why it is important. So let's figure it out why it is important. Strengths, focus on goals and desires. It strengthens your focus. If you want to achieve something in your life related to your goals, related to your desires, related to your achievements, if you want to achieve something in your life, it gives you a boost in your focus. Your focus will be higher once you start writing what you visualize, what you want to achieve in future, so that every time you write, you will find something, okay, this can also I include in my videos, this can also include in my imagination, and then you script that. So visualization journaling is kind of a scripting. Strengthen beliefs in personal growth, increase motivation, belief in possibilities. So the more you visualize, the stronger your visualization power, the stronger your beliefs in the possibility. You'll attain, you will achieve the success, you will achieve the growth in your life. It increases your motivation as well. This is why visualization journaling is important. The third part, train the subconscious mind for success. Now you are thinking again and again, now you are writing again and again for that particular goal, and the more you think, initially you have to think, you are making pressure on yourself to think in that way, but the more you think, it will automatically turn into your subconscious mind, goes into your subconscious mind, and automatically it will flow from your body. You act in a certain way, you think in a certain way to achieve that goal. Number 4, reduce fear, self-doubt by reinforcing positive outcomes, align daily actions with long-term aspirations. It reduces the fear, the self-doubt, the anxiety, because you are thinking positive for yourself, you are thinking positive about your goals, about your future, and because you are taking daily actions and it is for a long term, you will able to achieve that goal, and it is aligned with your goal as well, because what you are thinking, you are taking action according to that. Number 5, help manifest dreams into reality. Your visualization, your imagination, your intention, the combination of that, through that you are able to manifest whatever you want in your life. Once you start doing visualization, once you are writing down that visualization, again doing that, again modifying that, again detailing, adding details into it, you are able to manifest all those things in your life. So this is The second part is why visualization is important. Now comes the third part, the important one, how we can do that, the step-by-step manner. The first one, choose a goal, what it is for you. It can be related to health, it can be related to your relationship, it can be related to your personal growth, whatever it is, find out related to what you want to visualize. The second one, describe in detail. The more you describe, the more it will help you to attract those things. What kind of a home if you want to get in future, what kind of a curtains, what is the color of the curtain, what is the color of the furniture, what is the color of the walls, how many rooms do you want, do you want a big balcony, do you want big ground, whatever it is. The more you visualize, the more you add detail, colors, sound, surroundings, it will help you to attract that. Number 3, write in present tense. As we are doing affirmations, visualization is also, if we are scripting, it is also mandatory that you should write in present sentence. I have this, I have a house of where the walls are of this color, like cream color. I have a cream color curtains, I have a sofa, whatever it is. Then you can attract that kind of a thing because you are very clear about what kind of a house you want, what is the infrastructure, what is the things that you have in your house. Number 4th point, engage your senses. The more you engage your senses, how do you feel, how do you see, the smell, the taste, the touch, you smell the paint of the walls, you know the smell, you can touch the texture, you can touch the curtain, you can see. So all those things, and it will help you because all the senses you are including in your visualization, again it will help you to attract the things. The 5th part and the last one is feel the emotions, connect deeply with the experience. The more you feel, the more you are able to connect with the dream. The more you able to add emotions, the more you are able to find out, to get the clarity, this is what I really want, this is kind of a structure I want. So emotions, feeling, addition of that is important. If you find this video useful, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon, because when you hit that, you will get the notification of my all videos which I am going to upload. And if you don't watch the previous 8 videos, you can watch playlist. I hope you are starting your journaling, whether it's gratitude, whether it's affirmative, whether it's reflective, whether it's free flowing, whatever it is, start journaling. The 4th part is visualization journal prompts. So what are the prompts that we can do or we can use? The first one is, what does my dream life look like? How about your dreams? How about your dream life? What do you want in your dream life? What kind of a person do you want? What kind of a things do you want? What kind of a surroundings do you want? Whatever you want in your dream life, write it, and write it in a present sentence. How do I feel when I achieve my biggest goal? It's about feeling. You mention your biggest goal and then you add the feelings. How do I feel? The important part, your main focus is on the feeling part. If you know the feeling, if you know the vibration, you will able to know that this is the vibration I feel when I achieve the goal, and here I am now, so I have to match it so that I can attain that goal, I can achieve that goal. What does a perfect day in my future self life look include? So what is the day, perfect day? If I have talked to my future self and if I ask a day about them, so what kind of a things they tell to me? This is what you want to include in your visualization. This is what they look like. This is one day, their day look like. This is what their schedules look like. This is activities they'll do all days. So everything that you think, include that in your visualization so that you can attract your future self. The 4th point, how does I confidently step into my best version? Or now the 4th part, how do I confidently step into my best version? Whatever you feel, this is the best version. How do I step into that? For that, you have to find out the traits, their mindset, their beliefs, their thinking, their emotion, and you have to visualize that, and then you have to write it it, and then you have to take according to that. Whatever you visualize, whatever you write in your journal, then take action according to that, so that you will able to step into your future self, your best version of yourself. Number 5, what kind of energy and mindset do I need to reach my goal? This is also kind of a reflective journal, and you can visualize that. Once you start visualizing, okay, this is the thing I want, this is a skill I want, this is the action I should take, then you should write about each and everything in detail. Sometimes if you miss out the detail in visualization, then what you can do, you can write whatever you want to add, and then you can visualize. So visualization can be do before the journal and after the journal, after writing the journal. So if you are writing the script first and then read the script and then visualize, or what you can do, you can visualize, write the script, read it, and if you want to add more details, you can add, and then again you can visualize. So it's a kind of a cycle. The more you add detail, the more you attract the things. This is all the visualization journal prompts. Now we come to the end, which is tips. First one, close your eyes, visualize before writing. Think what you want and then try to figure it out how it look like. Visualize and then start writing. The second one, use vivid detailed description to bring scenes to life. The more you add details, if someone coming to your room, coming to your house, how the person say about your house, how wonderful things they say about your house, about your furniture, about the things that you include in your dream house. So the more detailing you are including, it will help you. Third part, reread your entries to strengthen belief and motivations. Once you start visualizing, once you start writing about what you visualize and you write the script, again reread it. The more you read, the more you are able to add details, and then you can again visualize, so add all those details in your visualization time. So it will help you whatever you read. If you read something particular and if you want to attract those things, reread every time and visualize it. So every time your brain get, okay, this is the scene I am watching right now, and this is how I am doing right now, and then your brain is giving signal according to that. The fourth part, add sketches, doodles or vision board elements. It's up to you what kind of journal that you want to write. You can add doodles, you can add sketches, you can add vision board to visualize, you can add pictures, you can draw pictures, whatever about your dream, about your goal, so that it will help you to connect with your internal parts, like your mind, your brain, your heart will connect to that, and then you are able to visualize very easily. And the fifth and the last part, write as if dreams are already happening. As I told you, write in present tense. The more you write in present tense that I have the dream house, I am living in my dream house, and this is the thing I have around me, this is kind of furniture, this is kind of a curtain, this is kind of a television or a temple inside my house, whatever details that you want to have, add in a present tense, make it in the present tense, so that you can connect with that I already achieved that. So you will feel, your mind feel that, okay, this is I already have, and then you are taking actions to it. So this is the end of visualization journal. If you find this video useful, and if you think, or if you find that anything new in your life, please type in the comment section. If you have any query, you can also type that, and you can connect with me, you can join me if you want to go deep in journaling. You can use 2 links. One is for free WhatsApp group, and in which I am sharing details. The other one is my paid membership for my bronze member, in which I am talking in a particular manner, like every month I have a theme and we connect once in a week, do some prompts, and we'll discover something new for ourselves, for our goals. So you can use either way. Take care. Bye bye. I have one last video, and in this series there is a 10 video, maybe I can add more, so you can watch the previous video in the playlist. Take care. Bye bye.